what?
Sounds like an Asian guy. Ooh, what's that on your leg? Oh. Styrofoam?
Hey, can we do this bed now?
Yeah. Let's get the rest of this shit down.
Right.